How to change online status on Grindr. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change online status on Grindr. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you open the Grindr app, you'll come to the browse section like this. Now in order to appear offline or change your online status, tap on the profile photo that you can see on the top left. After that, just below your username, you'll find the online and incognito option. In order to change your online status, you'll have to use the incognito feature. For that, tap on incognito. Now as you can see, it is asking me to purchase the premium subscription. That is because in order to use the incognito mode, you'll have to be a premium user. Now as you scroll below on the screen to see the features of the unlimited subscription, you can find that there are various features including the typing status. So when you subscribe to the premium plan and use the incognito mode, you will be able to change your online status on Grindr. Without purchasing the premium plan and going through incognito mode, you can't change your online status on Grindr. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.